we want to develop the lateral surface of elbow joint as per shown in figure. Now this is shown in figure, that is 560 60 mm is the diameter and 40 is the corner of this elbow. Now first we want to draw the given figure. This is given diagram. This is 60 mm. That is 5 equals given 60. Now we want to join this curve. Join this corner and draw the half circle. Is it bottom side or in this side? Divide this circle in equal parts. Now number these points: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Again considering the whole circle: 8, 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. Now project this point in the inclined line. Now this represent this point is P6 and P8. Same way this is P5 and P9. This is P4 and P10. This point represent P3 and P11. This is P2 and P12. This is what? P1. This is P7. Now develop this cylinder. Pi d distance is 60 is the diameter. This is 188 up to this point. and divide this line in equal 12 parts by method of acute angle. Now project those lines by giving the number. Now this is 7 point. This represent 6 and 8. Five, 9. This is 4, 10. This is 3, 11. And this one is the 2, 12. Now starting with this 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7. After projecting this total line, same procedure shall be do with this side also. Same procedure. Now this is up from top itself. This is 7. This is P6. And P8. Here is 6 line, P6, this is 8, P8 and P6. Same way 5 and 9. This point is P9 and this point is P5. 4 and 10, P10, P4, P3 and P11, P11, P3, P2 and P12, P2, P12, and this is single point P1. With the help of French curve, you can join this curve The same procedure for this section also. Same distance is given, that is pi d distance is 188 mm. This distance also represent in this side also. Same way, divide in equal 12 parts and project this point and make the curve. This is all about the development of elbow joint.